We'd like to now welcome for our bout 12 jury, Mr. Mahesh Kotalawala, along with Mr. Ajit Gunatilaka, and our referee, Mr. Harsha Vanigasurya. Judge number 1, Mrs. Nilu Patirana. Judge number 2, Mr. Dinu Caldera. Judge number 3, Mr. Venura Alexander. And introducing to you in the blue corner of our 12th bout here at Unleash Absolute Warriors. He has a amateur Muay Thai, 6 wins with 0 losses. Accompanied by Coach Gayan Pradeep, representing Sapphire Muay Thai in the blue corner, Lalika Javira. And his opponent, who has 7 wins by knockout and an amateur Muay Thai record of 19 wins and 3 losses, and 2019, 2020, 2023, and 2025 National Muay Thai Championship gold medalist and IMA Open Championship gold medalist as well, accompanied by Coach Fahad, representing IMA, Muhammad Musab. Bout number 12 is brought to you courtesy of Ravana Fightwear, our official clothing partner, along with Hemas Hospital, official healthcare partner, and Pearl Bay Bandaragama, official leisure partner.
Hanuman แหวกเมฆช้างสะบัดงวง
two young warriors battling out through Muay Thai,
Yes.
looking, trying to fill in their hunger for glory. And Senith, I have a quick question. Now, I heard this music that was played before the Muay Thai fight. It's more sort of a respect dance. Can you tell me what it's all about?
Well, I believe Ammar here is quite the expert on that. Ammar.
Yes, so exactly. That's called the Wai Karu Ram Moai. So it's more like a respect dance, as you said. Yes, let's see. I feel like this round is going to be more of a speed match because it's a lightweight tournament. And you can see like counter of elbow striking by Lalika and Musab exchanging hard strikes here. You see Lalika landing over elbow shots.
What a pace for this bout. Starting off with this pace must be exhausting for the fighters during the latter rounds. Lalika Jayavira, coached by Gayan Pradeep, is representing the Sapphire Muay Thai, representing Kahawatta, and of course Mohammad Musab, a young prospect from Iron Martial Arts Association, arguably the biggest Muay Thai gym in the country, from Mavanella.
Lalika coming up with a lot of kicks. Oh, wow.
That was a nice sweep by.
Lalika Jayavira has a amateur Muay Thai record of 6 wins and 0 losses. He has one pro Muay Thai loss, but he is coming into this bout with an insatiable appetite to get the win. A deep kick by Lalika Jayavira. Musab catches it and tries to sweep his opponent. Big right hand by Mohammad Musab, but Lalika remains unfazed though.
He missed that kick. Musab.
Those jabs and the crosses of Lalika are landing on Musab though. Lalika is on the offense. Final minute of the first round.
When it comes to this match, Sanita, they're like too quick compared to the other matches. Maybe it's because of the weight class. Technique combinations and it works. These are the matches that we need to watch, like proper technical matches where both opponents go with respect and use their techniques.
Technical fights are fan favorite fights. Big right left hand by Musab, and Lalika taunting his opponent. This is the second round. 2 more minutes into this round. These are 3-minute rounds, folks. High intense Muay Thai rounds. Is what any fight fan would like to see.
I see a warrior in both of these pro fighters, simply because Lalika just got a couple of shots on his face, and he's having that smile, Senita.
I believe Lalika just informed the referee that was he needs to adjust his cut, and the referee has called this a timeout.
And what we must understand is just a 17-year-old and a 20-year-old who are fighting, and you see such aggression in the match.
These guys are on tip-top shape, you can see that.
Imagine they have a long future when it comes to MMA, since they're like.
Musab is evading a lot of shots which are forced by Lalika.
A kick landed on Lalika though, a couple of minutes ago. But Lalika charging in.
Both players are very attentive to each other, coming up, swiping all their shots at once. And since the beginning it was happening, Senita. It's
Final
so
minute
exciting.
of the round. Nice job by Musab circling out of danger. An outside leg kick by Mohammad Musab and a body kick now Lalika extends his jab and he eats a punch from Musab across.
Senator, this match simply promises a lot of explosive combinations,
Absolutely.
piercing knees, and a battle of pure striking power.
No disagreements here. Kasi the minutes, because this is an epic fight. Final 10 seconds. Ooh, a spinning elbow attack landed on the body of Lalika. Ooh, nice jab by Mohammad Musab at the final second of the second round. Wow, what a fight, ladies and gentlemen. Two explosive rounds, and we are heading into the third round.
Both of the coaches and parents must be proud of them.
Maybe we can see some replays. Lalika attempted some elbows, but Mohammad Musab gets the advantage when he punches, goes with that straight 1-2s. As you can see, he landed a couple of crosses and a head kick to the head kick, but Lalika remains unfazed. You know, this is the best I've seen of Lalika Jayavira. He has improved so much after his last bout against Isuru Dilhara at WBC Pro Fight Night a couple of months ago. Mohammad Musab.
Do you know, for this, now this is considered as a pro level Muay Thai fight, and there is 3 minutes given. For the amateur matches, it's just 2 minutes.
Yep.
And to tell you, these pro matches do not have any guard or nothing to
Yes.
stop your blocks or punches or anything.
Absolutely. Mohammad Musab lands a jab to the face, and Lalika counters, and now they're entering the clinch. A knee by Mohammad Musab and a big right hand by Lalika Jayavira. Ooh, nice work by Mohammad Musab, circling out of danger.
And here again, Musab goes with a hook but missed it. And still, both the fighters look fresh.
Outside leg kick by Lalika Jayavira. I believe one of them Musab checked. Both the guys landed the punches. Lalika a jab and Musab a cross. Man, Musab's cross is looking fine tonight. 2 minutes into the final round. Ladies and gentlemen,
Senator, this might be a battle of pure striking. Just strikes and kicks, and oh my God, unbearable. If I was there, these pains would be pretty unbearable.
especially
And-
those body kicks, they hurt.
and a showdown of knees, kicks, and so much more competition. Even now you can see how many kicks they are making continuously, and still they are asking for more. They are giving more. How is that? Isn't that amazing?
Oh my goodness, did you see? Musab just taunted Lalika, saying, opening his chin and saying, hey, what do you want? What do you want, bro? Land some. Ooh. A kick by Lalika and a nice cross by Musab. That tilted Lalika's head back a bit. Those are some hard punches, but Lalika's got a chin on him, man.
Both players.
Ooh, and he just ate like 3-4 punches right there. Amazing chin by Lalika, but he should keep his hand up. And the referee issues a timeout. We just got the confirmation. The referee just informed the organizers to
Big request to our lights. Please switch off the red entrance light.
well, lighting can bother the fighters, you know.
These are two pros, Shanita. These are amazing pros, and that's why we have named as a pro Muay Thai fight. Simply, both fighters are continuously trying their level best to win the title for their names.
Ooh, big shots landed by Musab. 40 seconds into the third round.
so far perfect domination by Musab, and not gonna say
30 seconds.
Musab is asking for punches to his head. He's asking Lalika to come and land some combinations.
A right hand lands on Lalika. An outside leg kick by Mohammad Musab. And final 5 seconds of the third and final round. These guys are leaving it all in there. A head kick by Mohammad Musab. And final punch. Landed by Lalika. What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight. Guys,
And this is the beauty of Muay Thai and combat sports.
we have 2 more bouts right after this.
I'd like to thank Mr. Rohan Tushar for joining us, as he's going to be awarding the medal and the voucher courtesy of Pearl Bay to the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please give these 2 fighters another round of applause, because that was an amazing performance that we just witnessed. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner. And the winner is Mohammad Musab of the right corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the winner, Mohammad Musab. Give it up once again. Mohammad, your amateur Muay Thai record is 19 wins and 3 losses. That is an impressive resume, my friend. This is your first pro Muay Thai win. You showed that you can survive, you can fight for 3 rounds, you have the cardio to fight for 3 rounds. You proved that here tonight. Did anything about your opponent surprise you?
Yeah, first of all, I begin with in the name of Allah. First, I'm grateful for my master who trained day and night relentlessly. And my teammates who also always after to receive my victory. And yeah, I have to talk about my opponent. I didn't anticipate in that way he will fight in such a good manner, so that he's more than I expected. That's it.
You know, you came into this fight as a replacement for Arafat, but you came out and you showed out. I believe you are right now, you're pretty much satisfied with your victory. You are 17 years old, my friend. What do you want to do next in the sport of Muay Thai in Sri Lanka or abroad?
Yeah, of course, I was replaced with Arafat Ahmed Bench, our senior, who always train with us. And my next plan is to go toward some more achievement, more than national level, and I have to resume in international levels, so that I can be satisfied, me also with my master, who also I cannot thank him with words. Yeah, I always thankful to my master and my teammates.
Mohammad Musab, you're only 17 years old, you're only getting better. Welcome to the world of Pro Muay Thai. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the winner, Mohammad Musab.